Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka grand finale jong karan sanya kop thai bhabriyo blatip ka mestin diva aja pun rio kabalalong hanong ba Jaipur Rajasthan la sakhi ka jing shimbanta de ki spangut ki thai samla na kaleng kari India bat nakini tang lai phinyongut ki thai samla ki bi orung shaka kala yakun final haka jing yakun final ka bajuan ka samla Aishwarya Malang na Meghalaya kala job ikanam Miss Teen Earth India aja pun rio kat ba kasni dha buyan na Assam kala job ikanam Miss Teen Grand India aja pun rio baka prasusi Pandan Odisha kala job ikanam Miss Teen Universe India aja pun rio kini kilangut kisamla kentai kinmi khmat ikari India bani aireng sakaran sanya kop Miss Teen Grand aja pun rio Miss Teen Earth aja pun rio bat Miss Teen Universe aja pun rio persya igi thai babrio kiba mi khmat nikiwi pat kiri ka perthai hakan ikaran sanya kop ka diadang na Haryana kala job yakardan ka baar pat ka Vachri Thakre na Goa kala job yakardan ka balai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.